We've just acquired this Volvo V60 2 litre D4. It's absolutely lovely condition, full Volvo service history. It's had the cam belt done at Volvo and then we've just serviced it. It's one owner from new. It's the rare automatic as well. The wheels absolutely unblemished, lovely gleaming paintwork. Got the plastic boot liner cover plus carpet mats, low cover there. Obviously electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats. It's done 108,558 miles. Got the heated seats. Shows up there. Got the satellite navigation. Rear park distance control with visual. Cruise control, dials to operate your stereo system, media, Bluetooth. Drives absolutely spot on. There's not many of these about in the automatic, and I must say it drives smooth. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.